Optimizing your drives helps your computer access files faster. In this video, we will explain how to defragment and optimize drives in Windows. To understand this, imagine your files scattered in pieces across a drive. On older mechanical hard drives, defragmenting gathers these pieces together, so the drive reads them more quickly. To do this, search for defragment and optimize drives and open the tool. Select your drive and click Optimize. Windows analyzes it and rearranges the data for better performance. The good news is that Windows usually does this automatically on a schedule, so you rarely need to do it manually. If you have a solid-state drive, the process is different. Solid-state drives do not need traditional defragmenting and instead receive an operation called trim, which the same tool handles correctly and automatically. Never manually defragment a solid-state drive the old-fashioned way, as it provides no benefit and adds unnecessary wear. You can check your scheduled optimization settings in this tool and adjust how often it runs. Letting Windows optimize your drives keeps file access snappy and your storage healthy over time.